train. Shut up! The Mothership 3.0 is finally done, as you can see behind me. It's not that it took this long to finish, it's I've been too lazy to edit it and I keep getting distracted by Cyberpunk. That's enough about me, let's see how I built it.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a trap popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a trap popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a trap popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola.
So that's it. That's the Mothership 3.0 done. If you want to see some behind the scenes sort of vlogs where I explain a bit more, I'll leave those in the description. Other than that, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you enjoyed. I probably will be upgrading this system soon, as I'm not really liking the 1920X CPU, and also I'm hitting the VRAM limit at the moment on my GPU, so I'm definitely going to have to upgrade that whenever the 3000 series actually is available to buy. But other than that, thanks very much for watching. I've been Sam. See ya. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you really enjoyed it, please consider subscribing for more PC builds and other content in the future. If you have a suggestion, question, or criticism, leave a comment, and thanks very much for watching.